Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
For these Benue youth, this was certainly not what they envisaged.
Benue is under attack, and we are calling on Mr. President, resign if you cannot solve the issue. Obviously, he cannot. He's incompetent and he's clueless. He said answers protesters when they were coming to overthrow him. That is his mindset. It is high time. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Let us act in truth, even if we are afraid of death. We will all finally die. We are dying already.
The group who say they were harassed by security who did not want the peaceful protest to go on insist their voices must be heard.
We've got different calls from different pressures from security operatives. We are not turning down our protest, not because we want to foment trouble, but because we want this historical duty to be met. Our voices must be heard. Our voices must be seen if possible. And action, corresponding action, must be taken.
They equally dispelled rumors that they were sponsored.
This is not to say we don't even need him to sponsor us anything. What we need from him is correct leadership and continue to speak that our people have a right to hold our laws to ourselves.